Welcome back to my channel. Did you know your scalp ages 6 times faster than the skin on your face? That means clogged pores, excess oil, and dead skin could be silently stopping your hair from growing thicker and longer. In this video, I'll reveal 7 powerful scalp scrubs, backed by science, that not only detoxify your scalp but also wake up dormant hair follicles and supercharge your hair density. And the best part? I'll also share unique DIY recipes you've never seen before on YouTube. Why your scalp needs scrubbing. Here's the truth. Your scalp is like soil for your hair. If it's clogged with oil, sweat, dirt, or leftover product, your hair follicles can't breathe. Science says, sebum and dead skin cells create a barrier, reducing blood flow to hair roots. This slows down nutrient delivery, leading to thinning, shedding, and slow growth. Studies show that scalp exfoliation improves microcirculation, removes keratin buildup, and allows nutrients from serums or oils to penetrate better. That's why scrubbing is not just luxury, it's essential for healthy hair density. How to scrub without damaging. Important: never scratch aggressively. Use your fingertips or a soft brush. Scrubbing should remove buildup, stimulate blood flow, avoid inflammation. Frequency: once or twice a week is enough for most hair types. 7 best scalp scrubs. 1. Coffee plus coconut oil plus brown sugar scrub. Benefits: caffeine stimulates hair follicles, brown sugar exfoliates, coconut oil nourishes. DIY recipe: mix 1 tablespoon ground coffee, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Massage 5 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water. 2. Sea salt plus aloe vera plus peppermint oil scrub. Benefits: sea salt gently removes dead skin, aloe soothes, peppermint oil improves circulation. DIY recipe: 1 tablespoon sea salt, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 2 drops peppermint oil. Massage scalp 3 to 4 minutes, rinse. 3. Apple cider vinegar plus sugar scrub. Benefits: balances scalp pH, prevents fungal growth, promotes healthy hair growth. DIY recipe: 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon ACV, 2 tablespoons water. Massage scalp 3 minutes, rinse thoroughly. 4. Oatmeal plus honey plus jojoba oil scrub. Benefits: oatmeal calms irritation, honey moisturizes, jojoba oil nourishes hair follicles. DIY recipe: 2 tablespoons finely ground oatmeal, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon jojoba oil. Massage gently 5 minutes. 5. Bentonite clay plus tea tree oil scrub. Benefits: clay detoxifies, tea tree fights dandruff, stimulates follicle health. DIY recipe: 1 tablespoon bentonite clay, 2 drops tea tree oil, mix with water to paste. Massage 5 minutes, rinse. 6. Yogurt plus turmeric plus rice flour scrub. Benefits: removes dead skin and buildup from the scalp, unclogging hair follicles. Helps reduce dandruff, itching, and hair fall while promoting healthy hair growth. DIY recipe: mix 2 tablespoons yogurt plus 1 teaspoon turmeric plus 1 tablespoon rice flour. Apply to your scalp, gently massage for 5 minutes, leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse off. 7. Green tea plus sea salt plus olive oil scrub. Benefits: antioxidants in green tea protect follicles, olive oil nourishes, salt exfoliates. DIY recipe: 2 tablespoons brewed green tea, 1 tablespoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Massage 5 minutes, rinse. Science-backed benefits recap. When you scrub your scalp, dead skin is removed, blood circulation improves, nutrients from serums, oils penetrate deeper, hair follicle activity increases, hair growth, thickness, and density improve naturally. This is why scalp scrubs are a game-changer in hair care, but most people skip this step. Bonus tips for maximum results. Bonus tips: use lukewarm water to rinse. Follow with a lightweight hair oil or serum. Scrub before shampooing for best results. Avoid harsh chemicals or sulfates for 24 hours after scrubbing. Your scalp is the foundation for healthy, thick hair. Start scrubbing today with these 7 recipes and watch your hair density improve in weeks. Comment below. Which DIY scrub will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe for more hair growth secrets you won't find anywhere else. Thank you for watching.